going to download it here where it says share. This is created by you. Do not copy anybody's image. So now your gig is open for business. How you all doing? It's your boy Vixie, and today we're going to be looking at the topic how to create a Fiverr gig, a background removal gig. So first of all, what I want you guys to do is click on the link below in the description. It's going to take you to the Fiverr page, and then you register. If you do not know how to register, if you don't have an account yet, watch on how to create an account in the description below. Watch that video and then come back here after you finish creating your account. Then you continue creating your gig. Let us create this Fiverr gig. Fiverr account is loading. Okay, so you can see I am logged in and I am online. Yes, that is Vixie. So what you're going to do now is click on this switch to selling. And what you're going to do is come to this place where you say gigs and click on the gigs, and then it's going to take you here. Then what you're going to do next is you come to this place where you say create new gig, and then you click on it. It has brought you to this page where we are going to be creating our own gig. So guys, the next thing I want you guys to do is that what you guys should do next is to open another Fiverr page. What I want you guys to do here is to now come to this place. You should type in by background remover, and then you should come to this place, yeah, where it shows gigs. So you can see these are the top people on Fiverr page. So what you're going to do now is to duplicate their success. Guys, please do not stress this, just duplicate their success. So what we're going to do now is click on this particular gig, and yeah, so we can see what this girl has done, or it's a guy. Yeah, it's a guy, Mohammed. So this is what he has done, and we're going to duplicate this, guys. So you can see this is what he has done. We are only just going to make our own unique, or let's say unique, or put in some spice in ours to yeah, spice it up. Yeah. Sorry guys, let me take my coke. I've got a coke. Now this is a break point where you go subscribe to the channel. You understand what I mean? You should like the video and subscribe and share to your friends, and then get some coke. You understand what I mean? Yeah bro, yeah girl, yeah. What am I doing, man? So what you're gonna do now is copy exactly what this gig says. So I will background remove white or transparent to your images. So what we're gonna do now is to copy, just leave this I will, and then copy this, do background removal, copy, and then go back to your page where you're going to put the gig, and then you paste it here. Ctrl V. Yeah, so I will do background removal white or transparent to your images. Let's change this to photos. Yeah, so we have tweaked it a little bit, so that's why you get we're going to write photos there instead of images. It's still the same thing. This one is based on what categories we're going to look at. The categories it has to be graphic and design. It's going to be image editing. Subcategory is going to be image editing, yeah, production, image editing. Gig metadata, and choose the image editing you specialize in. So yeah, background removal definitely, cropping definitely. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Color change, yeah. So okay, so you pick the three necessary. So we will come to this place, and then where it says keyword, this is where we're going to insert the keywords. It's really gonna help people in searching and finding out our gigs. So it's gonna be a background remover. So background remover is gonna be the first. So photo edit photos, yeah, photo edit, photo edit, yeah, image editing. So some categories require selling verification, selling verified skills. So what we're going to do here now is now come down and then click on save and continue. Okay, so sorry, I haven't come to purpose. So purpose, we're going to say brand website, no. So let's leave it on social media. Yeah, it's gonna be on social media. And then on platform, let's just go with Amazon, guys. Sorry, I'm trying my best to make this video a little bit short. So here guys, we still have to go back to and copy what people have done, and then we put it back to make it easy. So first of all, what I want you guys to do is just copy this, control copy, and then you put it here, control paste here, you copy this, copy, and then you paste it here for standard, and then premium you copy, and then you paste it here for premium, and then basic. Now let's go back to where the success is. Copy the success, duplicate the success, and then achieve our own goal. So we come back to this guy and see his offers. So you see, he has basic, standard, and premium. So 10 images, background removal service, and any format. So what we're gonna do now is copy. So you just copy this, copy, take it back to where it says description, you paste it here. So instead of us doing 10 images, guys, we're gonna do, let's put it at 15 images. And trust me, I know what I'm doing, guys. Put it at a higher, do something higher for a low price. People are gonna come to you. So guys, you understand what I mean. So I'm gonna fill up all of these things, and I'll come back. Okay guys, so I have filled up everything. As you can see, I got the basic plan for 15 images for background removal service, and standard for 65, and premium for 125. And if you look at what we did here, is when we go back to this, is that we added the image. Here we did 15, why this guy is doing 10. Here we did 65, this guy is doing 60. Here we did 125, this guy is doing 120. And the thing is, when you're coming new, when you're starting new with Fiverr, or starting new with any freelancer platform, you have to deliver more, you have to work harder to get people to work with you. So if you're able to give people things much more for lower prices, you're going to get so many people, because people love free things, people love cheap things. So and look at the price. This is $5, $25, and $50. As you can see here, we reduced the prices. Where did you see price? Okay, so this 5, this 10, and then for $20 is what we're going to do. Don't worry, you can actually scale up with time, but this is how you're going to do it to get people. So what next is that, look at here, you're going to put in the pages. You just click on this place. If you want to edit all of this, you select the number, or we left it at 15 because of time, so I don't want to fill up all of these things. So this source file is you can see here, it's even actually showing you what is it for. So you can see you will supply the editable layer project. So if you're using Photoshop or this advanced editing apps, you have the files you could actually send them the files, but I'm going to show you guys a simple trick. So this is not really necessary. I won't really say it's necessary, but yeah, some people might want it, so we'll just leave it here at the premium version. So here the resolution must be high, guys, please, it must be high. And here commercial use, yeah, they can use it for commercial use, they can use it to get money. So mockup, no, we don't need mockup, we're not going to do mockup. And then this is where you're going to select the price. You just come here, and then if you want to increase the price, you click on up, and it's going to take it up, but let's leave it down for the basic price. Let's put it on 5. So that is what I did. And then here it's like extra service. So if people wanted like extra, they want you to work harder, we're just gonna, I left this 2 and I came to this premium. So what we did in this premium is that it's 2 days we're going to do to deliver. So you can see here delivery date is 2 days, but I left it at 1 day here. If you want to pest my life to do it for you 1 day, then you're gonna add $5 to the $20 that you're supposed to pay normally. So that is it for that, and then we just click on save and continue. Okay, sorry, it can be, I made a mistake here, it's supposed to be 5. Okay, so you click on save and continue. Okay, so now here is where we're going to put in the description, guys. So like I said, you copy success and then you replicate success. So we're going to go back to this guy and we're going to see his description. So you can see this is where about gig, service provide, and yeah, about seller and so we're gonna what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy everything here, copy this, copy, and then you come to this place and then you paste it. So all you're gonna do now is just to edit this. I'll edit this and then come back to you guys because of time again. Yeah, so guys, just transform some of the writings you can see here. You just have to like tweak it a little bit. So these frequently asked questions are questions that people will want to ask you or want to really find out before they buy your gig. So you're gonna click on add questions. Like I said, you just replicate, come to this FQ here, and you can see it's questions. So what you're going to do now is now fast delivery, because people are definitely going to be asking about fast delivery. So you copy it, you delete this, and then you paste it here, copy the answers, and then you paste the answers here. Then you can add. So as you can see, these are all the questions I've actually copied. Now it moves to requirements. Now requirement is what you need from the buyer. So what do you need from the buyer? You add questions. Okay, so you can see this is what I came up with. This is what I need. I need the images you would like me to work on in high quality if possible. So this is what you need for you to be able to work on it. So now this is where we're going to insert our work. So guys, now to achieve our goal here, what we're going to do is we're going to use three things, or rather that is canva.com, pots.ai, or remove background. All of the links to this website are below the description, so you should click on it and it's going to take you there. So let's continue. So now guys, you come to this first website here where it says pots.ai. Now come to this place where it says remove background, because just upload a picture here. Okay, so let's use this. Click on remove. See, it has actually removed. Click on it. It says downloading the PNG. So what I want you guys to do is now come to canva.com. Like after you've registered with Fiverr, with Canva, sorry, what you're going to do now is now come here and then click on thumbnail. Yeah, thumbnail. Avoid these ones that are showing pro, because you have to pay for it. You have to pay for the pro version to get this, and this one you have to pay. So let's just look for something free. Okay, so we actually do not need all of this, so we are deleting everything here. Okay, so now we have a blank space. So we'll come to this place where it says upload. Okay, so you can see the picture it's here. Sorry, let's delete this. So this is the picture here, and this is the one that I've actually removed the background. So you can see this is the one without background. So we just adjust it this way, and what I want you guys to do is you now come to this text where it says text here. You just click on this heading, and then what you're gonna do here is click on report up here, and you copy it and paste and bring this right after, and you're going to change the color here where it says, where you see this color, and we're going to change it to something, let's say black. You're going to download it here where it says share. Just scroll up and then click on download, and then download as PNG. Now we're going to go back to our drag and drop. We're just going to click on it and drop it here. Okay, click on this. I've declared it the metadata were created by myself. Yeah, so it's very important that this is created by you. Do not copy anybody's image, because Fiverr is actually going to detect and locate you. Complete the following requirements to start selling. So are you in the US? No, you're not in the US. If you're in the US, you click on yes, go here, and then you click on save. So now your gig is open for business. Voila, you have created your gig. let's see our gig. Done. Let's click on done. So it's active. Your gig is active now. Now this is the break point where you go subscribe to the channel. You understand what I mean? You should like the video and subscribe and share to your friends and then get some coke. You understand what I mean? Yeah bro, yeah girl, yeah.